Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can disable search suggestion on Chrome. So if you use another, your laptop or device of your friend, or you use a internet cafe, you can try to disable search suggestion. So here, for example, this is the internet suggestion. So you can try to disable it by click three dot at the top corner of your screen and click settings. Here you can click synchronize and Google services. Now here we go. Improve search suggestion, you can turn this off. When you type in the address bar or search box, Chrome send what to type to your default search engine to get better suggestion. This is off in incognito. So when you try to use incognito window, the search suggestion will off. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click the button below. See you in the next video.